na ogusu kasa no Judas a oka asuafo no ho ene enkrofo di nachi ebaaye na wotene nsa kire se woni nie na oba ebefe na no ochia ne se rabbi ena ofe na no eno ena oyi ne maaye ewiase a yewoi ebia na wadwen se obi ayi wama ebia na wadwen se ye jawo twatwene and now you feel betrayed and rejected until o tete o han he my man kan kire say wono a we nyankopon no mpo oba asase so beda nipa fa nipa su no ye yi ne maaye na wampre anye basabasa anye kitikiti ye yi ne maaye no de ntobo ase ne abotre no okobremu ena ofirimu ya na nipa da say ye yi o ma na to ena mabere ena we no emi say na say why ha emwa say you ma nyabotre Easter eba e kire say ade nyina mu no to da bia won sabe sifom. Easter does not mean that everything is going to turn out right, nor that there will be nothing for you to do. Obrebaba amanihun baba yebetu ajeje mu na ese wogina no. Easter does not mean magic. Just as the Israelites were led by Moses through the Red Sea, so would you also be led through your own Red Sea experience. Just as Joseph had to endure the pains of prison, so will you also endure the pains of prison. And just as Noah walked out of the ark after 40 days and 40 nights of rain and darkness, so shall you also walk through your darkness. Abibia esumbetu nipa. So bia nsumbetu asase so a ebeyiri afawo. Nanso Yesu eba se dia tu bia no obedan wani akire no. Na mpo wagina ho se David na wakum Goliath. Yesu ni won ne sode no ejina ho ma fa hodie de ma. Enyina ho ma ehuhubra. Enyina ho anetwa. Sabe enyina ho ma mape ene mema ena. Ejina ho ema fa hodie, ejina ho ema nokure, ejina ho ma wodo, ejina mo pepepe yo. In fact, the death of Christ is a period we should ask God to fill us with humility, to fill us with gentleness, to fill us with goodness, faithfulness, self-control, and to fill us with a language that edifies and solves problems, to bring peace, joy, and hope. That's Easter. Eyemra ye pasum due eyemra ye pani jene ndaso baby awo bia na ofam bia no empaba ka kire ho se ne dey mabra bo besi ye apasum due mabra bo benya ndaso ani wode mabra bo medi nokure de dey me bia meda wodo adi na ma ye obi papa so dey tie bia no samre yinti no. Easter is a revolutionary leap in the human calendar. Easter sacrifice nko ene ba ye mu. Easter, Easter is a leap towards a great change. Easter is a leap towards a great change in the human calendar. Onipa ya ni emu ni esitre mu no. Easter eka ya se nyadwen sakra bi oya brabom. Meka oni obi yaka. Meka oni obi nkasa. Wo ye no okura no tifi mpo sabe atuma no twa. Ene de mu twa so. Wo makura ana wogya ne wona. Ene de twa so na fredi pakro na chense afi we semre odo asundwe na neje time fro na de odo aka odomu ai de sefata medase semra make say Easter brings us to a new way of being great in our existence, that there shall be a radical change in all the things we do. Me mpa bo ne se dia be ye bia efi ofie mu ko adwuma so no awade mbia sakra mu papa na odane anagie ne asomdwe adware ofie mu no montene so aha na beja wo ediam je so e apostle Dr. Nita Kotego mama na Adom TV adwuma ko nyina ase wona ebo aye adwuma de ba ma ho nyina medam ase wa onya amere hwe me dia wona onyame entena